everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and all of your support. Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Was able to get these for free. My wife and I decided to trade in her Note 8 for the Note 10, the smaller variant. And with that deal over at Samsung a few weeks ago, we got these for free. And she's going to let me keep them. So I'm going to use them. Now I'm going to tell you right out of the gate, I don't like anything in my ears. Nothing. But I'm going to give them a go. So comfortability has to be there, number one. And then after that, I'm sure that the audio quality is going to be great. But I'm going to let you know all of that information in a later video. If I have to utilize the extra tips to better the comfortability level for me, then I will do that. I'll show you what I really enjoy though. This is what I really like. Over the head, over the ear. Now this is comfortable. Wow. These feel great. Cohen headset. That's what I like. And I like to be wired in. This, I'm hoping it works out. But without further ado, let's get a good look at them.
I'm over at the Play Store. We're going to install the Galaxy Wearable app and go through the setup process, so bear with me.
Okay, we are in the app, and right now it says my earbuds on the left and right hand side are completely charged. We have an equalizer here. We got bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, treble boost, and we have an update too, and I won't do that in this video. Notifications. By default, you have alarm, incoming call, messages, missed call, and schedule already on as far as being able to receive notifications while sporting the earbuds in your ears, in my ears. Let's go back out of there. Read aloud while using phone. Now I'm going to leave that off. Touchpad. Tap once for play or pause track. Double tap, play next track, answer or end call. Triple tap, play previous track. Touch and hold, user's choice, change in settings, or decline call. Lock touchpad, we don't want to do that. The left earbud, voice command, I'm going to actually use quick ambient sound, or no, actually ambient sound. And on the right-hand side, the right earbud, we're going to use voice command. So I think we are all set up. And that's what it looks like. You have about earbuds, about Galaxy Wearable. And that's it. And they're ready to go. Fully charged. And now I just got to use them. I did want to go over a few areas here as far as letting you know exactly what everything is aesthetically on the earbud itself. You got two charging connectors right there. And this little guy right above here is the touch sensitive sensor. This area right here is your touchpad. And microphone right there. And that pretty much covers the earbud. They charge right inside this beautiful looking pill case. And I hope I get used to wearing these. As far as the indicator light, when it's red, that means that you're below 30% as far as the battery, the charge that it has left, the juice that it has left, you're below 30%. If it's green, it's fully charged. And that, if it's above 60%, it'll stay at that color green. And if it's yellow, you're between 30 and 60%. And if it's flashing red, charging disabled, or there's an error due to abnormal temperatures or low charging case battery. So, yeah, so make sure that you're paying attention to that LED light there, that indicator light, and of course you have the other indicator light right there. Man, totally digging that. And the other thing is, the Galaxy Buds will give you up to 13 hours of playtime, 6 hours of charge in the earbuds themselves, and 7 hours in the case. So yeah, I'm going to use these, and I have actually some earbuds coming in from Cohen. I think they're around like 50, 60 bucks in comparison to what, about 120 smacks here. So it's going to be nice to see, be able to see the difference between the two, as far as not just what I get out of these earbuds in comparison to the Cohen earbuds, but the price points. I will talk about that later after I receive those earbuds and I go through the reviewing process with those from Cohen. But right now, going to sport these earbuds, listen to some music, watch videos, movies, and just I'll let you know what the audio quality is like. But super stoked to use them. Again, I just hope I get used to these in my ear, and I'll let you know what the phone call quality is like as well. So I think that's about it. Yeah, that's it, man. Till my next video, peace, God bless. This is my Project 13. Happy holidays. Any questions, please leave that information down below in the comment section. I'm out.